Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this right here, another travel backpack. This is the Baosha, or Baosha, B-A-O-S-H-A, travel book bag, and this is vegan leather. So it's not real leather, but it's vegan. All right, this right here will cost you $41.99, but I got it on sale. When it was on sale, I think it was like $19.99. It was like half off, so I end up getting it. So boom, boom, boom. So sometimes you find that once in a lifetime deal. Okay, guys. So let me give you some of the details on this. All right, the Baosha. Stylish vegan leather men's weekender travel duffel tote bag backpack, travel hiking rucksack overnight bag, 3-way convertible. Convertible. And it's the HB-26 brown. All right. Anything else? Anything else? No, nothing else. So that's about it. Okay, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey, guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is how it came. So we're going to use my little knife here for one quick second. Let me close this up so I won't hurt myself. Yep. All right, so this is how it looks, all folded up, but it's supposed to be convertible. Here we go. That's how it looks, guys. Sorry for hitting the back. It feels pretty soft. It does. It feels pretty soft. I do like the fact that you got this on the back, so you keep the straps together. We're gonna get this right here. All right, so we're just gonna take a look at it, see what's inside. All right, so we got this right here. So we got this inside. So I do like this. This is pretty good. Kind of deep. All right, well. Let's see. No, this don't open up from the side, because this is supposed to be like a ruck backpack and stuff like that. So that's how it looks. All right, well, let me go get a light for us. Be right back. All right, guys, let's go here so you can see how deep it is in here. Boom. So I don't know if you can see it all. So what I'm gonna do? We have this right here. We do have this. All right, guys, I'm gonna kind of put the camera in there so you can see it. Right, so I'm using my my DJI Action 4. I'm about to say Pocket 4, and you can see this is how it looks on the inside, guys. It's really nice. Got a lot of nice space in here, things of that nature. So I just want you to see, how it looks and how much you think you can put in there. So there you go. All right, let's get back to the Eagle Eye View. So you saw the inside of that, guys, which is pretty large. Got to use the action cam for once. So you see this pockets here. So it's not really much to show you. Got these right here. Now I'm gonna tell you something. It don't smell that good. It smells like some sardines, like some sardines a little bit. Maybe just the way the vegan leather smells. Smell like sardines. Hey, and pork and beans, but smell like sardines. All right, guys, let's get to the regular view. And this is more of a preview instead of a review, because I will have to wear it and stuff like that. But get the review and give you my final thoughts. Right. Yo, I'm back to give my thoughts. And I don't know if I can give Baosha a grade because really, this is more of a preview than a review. But what I see so far, I like it. I'm going to be able to use it. I do like the fact that it's really spacious on the inside. Now, I really wish they would at least gave it a zipper to open up like this in the front. Kind of zipper. And I know that's another point of fail, but I do wish it could open up in the front and not just going this way. But I think it's big. I think it's durable. Again, if you have a sensitive nose and don't like the smell, spray the inside with some Febreze, or just let it sit open, let it air out for a couple of days before you use it. If the smell gets you, because it doesn't. I mean, it doesn't smell like real leather. It smells like a sardines. It smells like it got like a fishy smell to it. It just could be the way it was packaged, the way it came in, or just I don't know. I don't like the smell. And, but other than that, I do like it. I did put my laptop in here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take it out. And this is a laptop, and it did fit in there into the little pocket that I showed you earlier. Finally got to use my action cam. Well, I've used it before, but kind of in that POV. And it does have the pocket that's right here. The pocket that's right there. This pocket here. That pocket is pretty shallow. It's decent. If you're gonna put little stuff up there, it's pretty decent. So overall, guys, I think this is a preview. I give it a B. I mean, until I use and see how it lasts. Because sometimes you get a bag, and the first thing to go is the handles, or because you put so much stuff in here, the thread up here gets to start loosening where the straps are. Now, I'm going to tell you, I do like the fact that it has this big pouch right here, but I wish there was a way you could close this pouch up. Because it's a pretty decent pouch. It's probably the same amount of space that's on the inside pouch that's on this outside pouch. So, I do like it, guys. So, I'm going to show you that real quick. See if you could, put your laptop or something in here if you wanted to. Let's see. Yes, it can fit. A little snug, but it can fit. So it's a little snug, but it can fit. So guys, I'm going to give it a B for my preview. All right, guys. So the Baosha vegan leather backpack, sack rack, rucksack, 3-day travel thing. I mean, if you get it for $41, or I think mine I bought it for $25.99, not $19.99, $25.99. I think it's a good buy. As far as what I see in this preview until I use it, making my everyday carry to see how it holds up, I think it's a decent buy. All right, guys, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Just want to thank my current, new and current subscribers for still rocking with the channel. And guys, what type of backpack do you use? Put it in the comment. What type of you, what brand? Does it matter? Does it need to be vegan, or do you prefer leather? Real leather. Let me know. All right, guys. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Ted. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Hey, guys, I got more unboxings coming soon. So do me a favor, hit that notification bell button and put all notifications so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day. Peace.